Ako, hindi ko mabilang. So online, we only have Iya with us. Teka, kailangan tayo mag-roll call. Roll call talaga. Oh, wow. Wow.
Present po. I am here.
Grabe, wala na. Kami na lang ni Iya nasa online. Next week, nandiyan na kami ni Iya.
Nasa Liam. Nasa Liam. Wala sa Liam yun.
Liam, wala si Liam. Oy, excuse me, pinanood ko yung mga singing ninyo, ha? Si Liam. So, natuwa ako kay Liam, yung song pala niya para sa crush niya. Wait, may mga hidden talent pala kayo. May mga hidden talent. Wow. Quiet lang kayo dyan, pero may mga hidden talents, ha? Okay, as is Vivian also. Yay! Welcome, Vivian. Nag-usap kami ni Teacher Joanna. Next time pala, KTV ba yung pupuntahan natin? Teacher Joanna, KTV ba or what? Level up na ba o gusto niyo mag-concert na? Yay! Oh, yan si Andrea, number 1. Galingan kumanta. Okay, so Teacher Joanna, hindi ko alam kung anong situation. Do we start na? Do we start na with Andrea? Okay, go, Andrea, go. Inhale, exhale lang. Kasi kami naman ang nandito eh. Okay, try the mic. Mic test.
Yeah. Mic test. Hello. Okay. Narinig niyo po.
Yes, I can. Loud and clear.
Okay. Topic natin na yan ay new creation. Pero before that, let's just say, okay, meron akong game.
Maraming nabubuhay sa games, ha?
Okay, tayo dito. Mag-glasses na kayo lahat. Mag-glasses na. Okay.
Sige, 2 teams daw.
Ano ba?
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, Joe. 2, David. 1, 2.
Satu tuh dito.
So, andito to that.
Oh,
Okay, 1, 2, isa.
Pantay nga. Anim-anim dapat. Anim-anim.
Okay.
Yung nasa 3 dapat.
Okay, nasa 3 kami ni Andrea.
Saan ko lang muna? Ay, no. Teka lang, dumi ko.
Dugian.
Diba? Cortina, yung cortina. Basta pa siya si Joe. Cortina. Wala ka sa daming dumi. Pwede na ba sumagot? Okay, yung cortina nga. Cancer yung lalagay ng sir. Sino sa... Paramihan ba to, Andrea?
Sample pa lang naman to yan. Wala sinabing bilago.
How many, Andrea? Ilan ba ang aming i-spot na difference dito? Ilan?
Ay, isa lang sa sample. Pero sa mga ano,
Ang
sample lang. Sorry. Okay.
Sampo?
Guys, tulungin niyo ako.
First. Okay. Totoo na to, guys. Paano yung team nyo? Nakaisa na agad. Hindi na, ito na yun. Ito na yun. Tatlo daw yun. Sabi ni Andrea. Ayun, isa pa. Last one. Kung sino mga
Yung tumi talaga eh.
May yung nai-spot, hindi yung isa ba?
Wow, nakakagutom.
may isa pa. Isa pa.
Ang hirap naman ito.
Di siya pang kids, pang youth push.
Yun.
Ay, abi ako.
Hoy, ang iingay nyo, ha? Teka, di may makapag-concentrate. Sabi natin dito. Oh my gosh! Walang difference. It's same.
Okay, 1 point group 2. Next one. Next round, let's go. Okay.
Answer.
Okay, go.
Hoy, teka, ang bilis naman ng answer. Teka, hindi ko pa nakikita.
Sorry.
Ano difference?
Ayan, teach. You see
Yung taba.
yung taba.
Oh, ma.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Go.
Nakita mo?
Bilis ah.
Kung ano may representative ba?
Representative na. Talagang hirap.
Wala.
Hello. Umiiyak yung isa. Yung isa galit.
Oy. Lugin niyo. Dalawa na. Panalo na yun. Pero hanapan niyo yung last.
Hoy, grabe. Anong difference? I cannot see.
Mobile game ada.
Isagot natin.
Ba't ninyo kinuha yung marker?
Hoy, ano ba kayo dyan? Nagsasaksakan na ba kayo?
Sige, dito ka.
What's the answer? What's the answer?
What's the answer, bro?
Ako hindi makikita na first.
Ha? Ay, oo.
Okay, 1-1 na kayo.
Wait lang, Gilles. Pero kasi yung dito nasa gilid. Nasa gilid.
Parang detail, ano? Finding detail. Oh, wow.
Nice.
Yung number na strand sa skirt niya.
Ay, I got it. I got it.
Hindi, yung nasa amin, nasa plate. Nasa plate.
Oh.
Pang bata talaga to eh, kasi pang malinaw ng mata eh.
There, I got it. I got it.
Guys, lapit kayo. Sila sobrang lapit nila eh. Lapit, lapit. Ay, look, halika.
Wow, ang galing naman. Biglang naging ano, paru-paro. Okay, this one is a little, okay. I got it. I got it.
Yung ilong ng matanda.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Mahal na. Wow. Ano na? No. Ano na?
Wait, may nakikita ako. May nakikita ko, hindi namin nakikita.
Dito.
Andrea, yan, Andrea.
Wait, di ko
I got two.
Ako makikita.
May nakita kay Teacher Sue?
I got two. The
The ilong, yeah.
There's one more.
the, ano,
Other than the ilong, meron pa ba?
Andrea, meron ba?
the ilong of the, ano,
What are the secrets? Yung bansa ata no. Alam ko. What is that? Ito.
Meron pa daw.
is,
Meron kayo tumingin sa bata.
Yung braso ng bata.
grabe, ang fine naman ng details nito. Wow.
Sana ako makita ulit.
I got it.
Ano yun?
I got one. I got one. I got one. Yay.
Yan na naman yung pinakamaliit na dito na pwede.
Galing!
Wala pa.
Okay ba din?
Kayo, dalawa kayo eh.
Ay, ikaw meron ng 40. Anim.
Para sa Andrea,
Araso.
group 1 kayo, di ba?
Got it. Got it.
Share tayong lahat.
Yes.
Ibigyan share sa lahat.
Online.
Ate ko yan sa online. Maglalaro.
Ito na yung gagawin.
Puzzle?
Okay. So guys, kuha kayo ng color. Nag-6.
Roller gusto ko?
Ang weird, bago nyo makuha, parang same-same lang. Tapos pagkatapos, nakikita nyo na tatlo.
Mas nakikita pa yung mga microorganisms. Mas nakikita pa yung mga microorganisms sa difference eh.
Thank you.
Lalo po kung
Thank you, Andrea.
Paano magbukas ito?
Martin Luther King.
Everyone's a winner.
Yay! Gigi. Grabe yung finance.
Ano po na kayo, PJ?
Ano, please, Matt?
Hindi. Ay, pati. It's Andrea.
Kanina, hello eh.
Hello.
Chocolate lang na hello eh.
And then,
Bawal ang maingay.
Sure, nung nandun tayo sa Paris, may nakita akong motor na sobrang bilis. Sabi,
sobrang bilis.
parang sinasabi ko, parang gusto niya, pakita na mag-speedrun. Mag-speedrun ng buhay niya. Speedrun to heaven. Papa. Salamat.
Hey.
May favor na lang.
Yes.
Okay, Andrea.
Butterfly.
Gawa daw kayo guys, butterfly. Sundin nila si Andrea.
Kaya hanggang ito, sir, umakas pa rin kami. Yesterday lang, sir, nakagawa ko ng 813 fighter jet na origami.
Wow.
Gamit ang A4.
Yan dapat mga
Matriangle. Bahala kayo pag hindi kayo nakinig. Bahala kayo, maiwan kayo.
Okay, okay, we're done. Okay, start na tayo.
Each na gaano ka, kuha po kayo ng paper, tapos sundan niyo yung steps ni Andrea. Sa mga online, follow Andrea's steps to make a butterfly. Pagkayo ng square, very
Ay, I like that. Gusto ko yung gagawa ko ng butterfly.
Ako, gawa po tayong butterfly.
Teka, I'm so bad at following instructions online. Huh?
Kaya nga, teach.
Teacher, pwede bang square ba? Square ba? Square yung coupon band?
Ako, square po.
Yan o, tapos, yan, di ba? Nandito yung nandito yung ano, fold, tapos ito.
Teacher Jungman, tandaan mo mabuti ha. I might not be able to. Pero alam ko yung eroplano ha, kung paano gawin. Alam ko yun.
Wait, mahal. Okay, nag-get ko na, nag-gets ko.
Di ba may fold siya na kaganto?
Ano, ito, di ba, gano'n? Ganito na siya, yun o. Ano?
I
I see, but I can,
Wow, ang hirap niya.
sorry, but I'm bad. Oh, I see.
I
Sorry, di ako kain.
Okay, it's like this. I got it. I got it. I got it. Like this.
Very good.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos,
Ito, oh, di ba? Ito. Right wing up. Okay, so sorry ka. Hi, friend.
Sige. One more. Okay.
Live night ready butter.
Teach na ka-follow po kayo.
I cannot see yung hands kasi ni Angela masyadong mataas. Hindi ko nakikita sa online. But if she brings it down, hindi naman nakikita dyan.
Wait, what? Ganyan. Guys, right on.
On the way.
Susobrahan na konti.
Okay.
We have a butterfly.
Wow, ang galing naman ng kamay ni Andy.
Ay, yung likod, ito pataas. Ito sobra ng konti. Ay, ganun ba?
Yung pwedeng ma-fold. Fold ba? Ay, hindi na.
Okay na to.
Kaya pala yung paper kanina, parang butterfly na, yung mga butterfly na numano.
Ha? Ano siya? Ano?
Sir, can you give me another paper? Sir, can you give me another paper?
Okay, this is fly.
Sir, can you give me another paper?
Fly! Okay lang, Andrea.
Ba't mo ang galing sa akin? Everyone! Ito yung wala pa. Ito kami na sa
Kailan mo siya kahit
kaya ako nag-engineering. Straight tayo ng sa akin. Pero engineering pa. Ako engineering pa.
Dahil nagtatagal. Andrea, I said. Everything is paniki. Sure, everything is paniki. They can fly. People are around. Basta pag pinayagan na sila ng atin. Ano siya, pwede ba? Wait, hi siya. Stop some people. Sure. Well, ako parang nakita ang isang gumagay parang wire, mga tapos gano'n. Sinasabi niya, tutorial on how to like make a device, parang di ba yung mga phone, yung speaker, gano'n. If your siblings are ever lost, daw ginawa niya. Tapos pag lost ka daw,
I think so.
pindutin mo lang.
Teacher Susan.
Pindutin mo lang kung ano.
Hey,
Pero yung next one, ay, nababa. Ay, nababa. Ay, Uy, hindi na, sakto ah. Yan.
Guys, may butterfly na ba kayo?
Yes.
Butterflies in my stomach.
Okay, so, okay na lahat na. Meron daw video si Andrea. Gusto i-share sa inyo. Story. Guys, story time. Close na, guys. Story time.
Movie na. Let's go.
The Hungry Caterpillar by Erika. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. The light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. On Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped. Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Started to look for some food. I'm so hungry. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, an ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomach ache. The very hungry caterpillar then ate through 1 green leaf. He started to feel better. Now the caterpillar was no longer small. He was a big fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself, stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. He nibbled a small hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and a beautiful butterfly. E.N.
Grabe naman. I feel like I'm in a kindergarten school. Very cute. O, di ba? Nakain yun lahat ng caterpillar. Wow, Andrea, that was great. Very cute. Buti hindi namatay yung caterpillar from all the eating he had. Okay. Go, Andrea.
Guys.
Okay. I have a picture here. Familiar naman mo kayo sa metamorphosis of the butterfly side. The butterfly side, unang stage niya, diba, is egg. Tanong, what if we compare this to our lives? Anong unang stage nito? Egg stage. So, egg stage. Egg stage. What does it meaning you are, sabi ko, you are healthy. Siyempre, kasi baby ka pa nun eh. You need help from other people to do things and you don't know everything. Because, siyempre, you are new to your surroundings. Kaya, you don't know anything. Okay. Pagkatapos nun is the larva stage. Stage where you are exploring new things. Parang nagsisimula ka pa lang eh. You don't entirely know everything. I have a question. In the larva stage, caterpillars eat leaves in order to grow. They crawl on their bellies and move very slow. Tanong, what do we humans need to grow spiritually?
Yes.
Word of God. Sabi dito, we are not expected to learn things fully kasi takes time, but we can slowly learn from God's word by reading and meditating on it until we can discover new things that God has for us. Okay. Tapos na ito. The pupa stage. Ito. Diba? When the egg hatches, it turns into a caterpillar. Pagkatapos nun, it emerges into a cocoon. Okay. Unlike the egg stage, you have already developed some form of maturity, but it's like you go back to the egg stage as you feel helpless and cannot do anything because it's like you're stuck in the cocoon stage itself. This is probably one of the stages in our lives when we thought we are growing and making progress, but suddenly we get stuck and feel helpless. This is the time when we should start depending on God more and less on ourselves. Okay. Now, ano ang difference ng egg stage sa pupa stage? Kasi ang sinabi, what it said earlier, that the egg stage is also helpless. Pero differences and similarities. Egg stage kasi, you are still, you were just born out of this world. So you are helpless kasi you don't know, because you don't know anything in that time. People stage, kumbaga, may alam ka na, pero somehow you still feel helpless and stuck. Okay? Siyempre, pagkatapos ng pupa stage, last stage is the adult stage. The adult stage, caterpillar life, is the time when the caterpillar emerges from the cocoon so that it can paint its wings and fly. Sometimes we feel to break free from the struggles that keep us from living the abundant life that God has intended for us to live. Because we either try to rely much on our own strengths or to simply content in our comfort zone, like the cocoon. That really is more like a prison. The only power of Christ can help us emerge out of these bondages so that we may emerge victorious, spread our wings, and fulfill God's purposes in life. Okay.
Yes. Therefore, any is a new creation. The old has passed away. Behold, the new has come. Amen.
So, ano yan, nasaan stage kayo ngayon? Nasa egg stage.
Larva. Naka-larva pa ako. I think. Therefore, I.
Ikaw, Andrea.
Super.
Anyone meron si SARS?
Wow, alam mo, yung iba kasi, teacher, tapos na ba tayo? Sa ni Andrea? It's really a nice, to see yung presentation, lalo na nung binabasa kanina yung yung mga, yung caterpillar na had to go and eat through. Ang cute-cute nun. But then again, how's this? Madami kasi nasa cocoon eh. 'Di ba yung can you say na yung mga nasa cocoon yun pa yung mga hindi pa nakakilala sa Panginoon? Ganun ba?
They know, but they feel stuck already.
Maybe.
Yung cocoon ba? If we if we compare it sa isang Christian, yung cocoon, yung doon ka lang nakastuck eh, hindi ka pa naliliberate, tama ba?
Pero parang nag-decide ka pa lang. Magiging Christian after. So, gusto ka ba maging Christian or hindi ganun?
Kasi, di ba sasabi na sa doon tayo Kasi kasi di, kasi di ba sa Kupun, sabi daw, doon tayo nagde-decide kung kailan tayo mag-rely kay God or not. Kasi kung sa context ng non-believer, yes, pag mag-rely na tayo kay God, doon tayo nag-believer. Pero sometimes as believers, minsan nagre-rely pa rin tayo sa sarili natin. So, yeah, I think yeah, parang depende parang sa anong context. Parang sa kung anong kalagayan.
Yeah.
Bakit pa rin mic? Ikaw yun na!
Microphone.
Next question.
Kayo po, teach. Ano po kayo? Yan, mga online.
Maybe Teacher Joanna, we can ask each and everyone. Sorry. Pwede siguro tayo, what's happening with my video.
Yes.
Sandali. Ayan. Maybe we can ask each and everyone to share something like, when did you feel na-liberate kayo from all the mga, what were the things that stuck you up?
Share your experience. If I was a butterfly.
You know the song?
It's race.
Balik natin dun sa... Ayan, okay. So yung question ni Teacher Susan, anong stage na kayo in your life? Tama ba? Egg, larva, pupa ba, or adult? Sabi ni Angel,
Ang sarap kasi na nandun ka lang sa egg kasi somebody's taking care of you eh.
Sana balik na lang sa
But we had to move it. Sorry, butterfly time. So I think the focus stage is for us, it's like the waiting season for the big thing for us to be the butterfly. We have to wait and rely on God that He is the one who holds us and He is the one who has plans for us in the future. So we are in pupa stage is like our waiting season before we go to the adulthood or ito yung mga ito yung stage na to, dito tayo mas nag-grow more from experience and from mga teachings ni God. And this is where we grow more in our faith and trust on God. And as we wait for the big thing. So that kapag adult na tayo or kapag butterfly na tayo, we know na yung works of the earth and works din of this life para we can share it to other people and to how to conquer this world. While in the waiting season, we learn those things.
Oh, wow. Yeah, pasensya na nga, sino yung nagsasalita?
Pakilala daw po. Pakilala pag nag-aaral.
Hello po. May certification.
Hindi ko kasi makita ko sino yung nagsasalita. I'm just trying to figure out. Was it?
Angel.
Kasi Angel. Kaya pala nag-post si Angel. So Angel, you feel that nasa pupa stage ka pa.
In the waiting season.
I think you're flying as a butterfly already.
There's
Oo.
still more to learn.
Ah.
And is there a hopeful? Parang helpless tayo kasi no one will be able to help us kasi nasa isang pupun lang tayo. So we only rely on God. And si God parang siya rin yung pupun na nagko-cover and nagpo-hold sa kanya.
Teka muna, baka you're thinking about your physical life. Kasi sa physical life natin, 'di ba, may baby, tapos may teenager, tapos may adult, tapos may ano, doon nag-grow ka na. Sa pag teenager kasi helpless ka pa rin kasi dependent ka pa sa mommy mo, that's the daddy mo, right? But once you find you tapos ka na, then you find work, then you are parang pinapalipad ka na ng nanay mo, right? Is that right? Go and
Literally.
spread your wings. I'm talking about physical ha. Iba din yung sa spiritual na growth. Kasi pwedeng bata ka pa pero butterfly ka na. You can soar already, you can explain, you can pray, you can do many things already as a child. So may mga child na butterfly na nga. Pero may mga adults na nasa ano pa ha, egg stage.
Spiritually.
Spiritually speaking ha, 'di ba? Sila yung kailangan yung madaling hindi mo maintindihan kung ano. Talagang ano, you will have to lead them in everything. Kasi hindi pa nila alam kung ano. 'Yon. Pero yeah, I guess all of you nasa spiritually speaking butterfly na kayo. I think. Right?
Feeling ko po yung mga nasa egg stage. Mga hindi, kung spiritually speaking po feeling ko po yung mga nasa egg stage, yun yung hindi pa nakakilala ko God. Kasi wala pa talaga silang alam spiritually. Pero pag may alam na po sila spiritually, parang nandun na sila sa larva stage.
Larva stage. May alam na sila pero still hindi pa sila maka-stand on their own. Like
Parang
cannot defend themselves pa, cannot explain pa.
kain na.
Hindi pa sila marunong mag-explain sa iba. So nasa larva stage. Yung nasa pupa stage kasi, ito yung mga tao na ako nakakakilala na sa Diyos. Pero because of their ang tawag nito, mga scars, hindi sila maka-move on. Na-stuck pa sila kasi yung may mga issues pa sila about probably anger, nung maliit sila, parang na-abuse sila, hindi pa sila maka-get over or wala pang forgiveness. Yun, yung mga nasa pupa stage pa. Kailangan pa lang ganun. Kailangan pa i-liberate ni God.
Parang yung sinabi nga ni Andrea kanina, na yung pupa stage, minsan para siyang prison.
Yeah, it's the stage sa Christian life mo, probably, na hindi ka pa maka-move on kasi may mga galit ka pa. May dami din ganyan. Alam mo yon, hindi lang siguro nare-realize ng iba. Pero as an adult butterfly, can you go back to the egg stage? Can you? Hindi na. Diba? Hindi ka na pwedeng balik. Sabi nga doon, can I go back to my mother's womb? Diba? Na-born again ka na, hindi ka na makikibalik sa nanay mo.
Pwede naman. Pwede.
Although we really love it when our mother and father takes care of us, di ba? Parang ang sarap-sarap ng stage sa buhay mo noon na wala kang pakialam. You're so carefree because your mom and dad takes good care of you. Sarap ng stage na gano'n, di ba? Pero masarap din yung stage ngayon that you are, care of yourself. Tapos hindi ka na dependent, you can decide for yourself. So that's also nice and good. Alright. So pag adult ka na, ayan, you will hop from one flower to another. Tapos, look for your food. Ganon. Di ba? Have you ever been fascinated by a butterfly? Have you ever in your life been fascinated by a butterfly? Kasi pag nakikita ko yung wings nila, parang halos ayokong hawakan kasi very fine. Tapos konting ano lang, parang pwede ba pupunta siya, di ba? Pag hinawakan mo ng ano, masyadong mahigpit. Nakakatakot kaya. Pero ako gusto ko kasi mga butterfly, the more colorful they are, the better. Ganda tingnan.
Rainbow butterfly.
Alam mo, di ba yung colorful yung poison? Tama ba?
I'm not so very good at Basta ang main point dito, yung butterfly sa adulthood, di ba they go from one flower to another para magkaroon ng, what's this? What do you call that term? Pollination? Pollination ba yon?
Yes, sir.
Ano ba yun? Somebody who is good at science, please explain. Diba yung pollen ng flowers, they fall tapos they grow again. Ganun, tama ba yun? Tapos nagpa-flower ulit. Parang kailangan dun yung ano, butterfly, siya yung nag-ano na possible doon. Yan ang kanyang trabaho. It's very fascinating. It's very fascinating talaga yung ano, mga animals na actually lahat ng ginawa ni God sobrang fascinating. Even the smallest animals, they're so fascinating. Sa TV pala, nag-watch ako sa National Geographic, sobrang ganda. How ano, yung meron tayong predators, tapos may mga prey, how they, interact together. Ang adult butterfly hindi dapat nauulanan. Alam ba ninyo? Dapat hindi siya nababasa.
Tatago sila.
Ewan ko ha, this is just one of those things that I read about. It's a trivia thing about butterflies.
Siguro kasi hindi nga sila makaka-fly kasi nabasa yung wings nila. So, kailangan nila magpatuloy.
Pa-check nga, i-google mo nga, Teacher Joanna, tama ba? Yung butterfly should not get wet. Parang nabasa ko somewhere eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. I need to know the ano.
I-google po ni David para.
Sino mag-google?
David po.
Alam mo, napaka-sensitive ng mga creation. Just like us, we're also very sensitive. Pero sensitive tayo sa mga words. Ay, pati din tayo sa with nature, sensitive din tayo. Hindi tayo pwede mainitan.
Ito teach may research si Jess.
Wow, nag-research agad. Wow. Okay, bring it on.
If they're too wet, they can't fly because their wings are too heavy.
They're heavy.
Ang last mo. Workout. Do you even lift, bro? David's dinosaur.
Sir, paano tayo napunta sa spiritual note hanggang sa trash?
Hindi, parang ano, hindi naman sa ini-spiritualize natin yung mga bagay-bagay, ano. It's just a comparison lang naman na pag nasa adulthood na yung butterfly. Talagang, ginagawa niya talaga yung kanyang, ano, the purpose why that butterfly was made, di ba? So he goes around flying, getting himself some food and then at the same time, doing his job, pollinating flowers. Ganyan-ganyan. Tayo, meron din tayong purpose, di ba? Ano na yung purpose natin? Ano na nga yung purpose natin?
Sige na, Chair. Pwede ito lang lipat.
Ano yung purpose natin? Ano yung, Ano yung purpose nga na sinabi ni God kay Adam?
Take care. And
Go and multiply. Pero ngayon hindi na yan hindi na yan. Hindi na yan applicable. Go! Nasaan sa Bible lang nagsasabi ng purpose natin? Saan sa Bible lang nagsasabi?
Genesis.
Ah? Saan anong Bible verse nagsasabi kung ano talaga yung ating purpose in life?
Yung sinabi niyo daw po kanina sa Genesis daw.
Anyone?
Mga alam mo na sa Genesis 1.
Oh, sige, ano?
Is it ano?
Verse ng day 5.
Bring glory and praise. Diba?
Ala, hindi na ninyo alam kung anong purpose nyo. Ano bang purpose mo dito sa buhay?
Buhay. Survive!
Seriously, what is your purpose?
Ano na.
Live!
Ah?
Mag-survive!
Wow! Grabe naman ang mga...
Mamatay.
Ayan, Vaytan answered it correctly. Oo, si lang ang adult na talaga na butterfly. Kayo, pupa. Joke lang. Hindi. Actually, yeah, you have to glorify God. And how do you glorify God? Pag sinusunod mo yung mga commands niya. And ang pinaka number 1 dyan is yung sa Matthew. Who knows Matthew 28?
Sinabi na po nila dito kanina.
Oo nga, hindi ko narinig. Yeah, that's the one. So, pupunta from one person to another like a butterfly. Tapos, binibigyan mo sila ng mga words ni God so that they can also grow. Diba? Parang ganun din. Well, the butterfly has actually madaming names, madaming reference na sabi sa butterfly. May mga negative din na ang butterfly ha. Pag sinabi mong isa kang social butterfly, anong gusto mo sabihin?
The butterfly effect.
May negative din yung butterfly. Ano ba sinasabi pag social butterfly ka?
Ano na to?
Butterfly na, ang daming friends.
Teka, hindi ko kayo marinig. Lumilipad ka.
Hindi ko po sure kung tama kasi yung tingin ko sa social butterfly is kahit sinong person yung nakikita, agad nila nag-declose. Parang ganun. Or on the extroverted side. So,
Medyo negative kasi pag sinabing social butterfly, palipat-lipat ka ng loyalty mo eh.
Okay.
sorry po, di ba ako ganun?
Kung sino ang mas papayo, makakapabor sa iyo, doon ka.
Ay, sino, ha?
Tapos meron pang isa ha. This is another issue. Di ba you have butterflies in your stomach?
Uy, parang iba yun.
What does that mean? If you have butterflies in your stomach, what does that mean? Sino nakakaalam pag may butterflies? Teacher, gustong sabihin, kumain ka ng madaming butterfly. Anyone? Does anyone know? Hindi kumain ng madaming butterfly ha. Basta pag may butterfly ka, I have butterflies in my stomach. Every time I stand up and make a speech in front of many people. So, anong gustong sabihin nun?
Sabi po ni Angel, kinakabahan po.
Kinakabahan is correct! Kabado ka palagi. Okay, so Yeah. Oh, may alam pa ba kayo about butterflies? Share naman kayo. Ano yung alam niyo about butterflies?
Kanina po, sabi ni Joe, butterfly effect.
Ano, teacher?
The butterfly effect daw. Kaya nawala si Joe.
Alam po yan, sir. Ah,
Something little.
oo, like kahit small games, mapaka-ripple effect po yan sa iba't ibang.
Alam niyo po yan, Joe? Yung butterfly effect. Wait, alis lang muna yung workshop dito, tas bago ako Ay,
Ano pa ba yung alam niyo about butterflies? May mata ba yan? Tsaka, paano ba sila kumakain? I mean, for once, let's discuss a little about God's creation. Kasi you become a new creation also. Itong butterfly, new creation din ito eh.
From a caterpillar to a butterfly. You became a new butterfly.
Alam ko bakit hindi nagkakapagdaan.
bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi ang laki ng side mirror nila doon. Importante kasi yung mga side mirror kasi kung baga sa mga kotse, sila yung nagsiserve as side mirror. Side mirror. So, pinaka-importante po yung side mirror kung i-relate natin sa mga tao. Ibig sabihin, itong mga person na to, sila yung mga tamang pagkakatiwalaan mo. Makikita nila sa'yo yung hindi mo nakikita sa side mo. Kumbaga, sila po yung mag-guide sa'yo na kung tama ba na gawin itong decision na to. Sasabihin nila yun. Sila yung mga tao na magdi-distinguish na ganito yung sitwasyon dito, ganito na yung nagagawa mo. Ito ka na pala, ganito na pala ikaw. So, meaning to say, side mirror is very important, lalo na rin sa pagdadrive, and then ganun din sa buhay. Kasi meron tayong mga bagay na hindi natin alam sa sarili natin na nagagawa pala natin po ng mali, and then nagagawa po pala natin ng hindi na ayon sa God's will or sa commandment ni God. So, magandang magkaroon tayo ng side mirror, hindi lang dahil sa kotse kailangan ng purpose, sa buhay kailangan din natin yung mga tao sa paligid natin na nakakita
Magwa-warn sa atin.
pinagka-counsel sa atin. Kaya bago tayo lumiko, mag-signal muna tayo, tapos tsaka tayo tumingin, mag-ask sa mirror. Parang ganun lang nire-relate yung side mirror sa buhay. Parang ganun din naman yung wiper. Parang sila yung mag-review.
Parang galing na ba
Galing mo na. Ang dami mo nire-relate sa buhay eh.
Wait lang, di ba? Butterfly. Nagiging kotse na.
Yun o. Side mirror.
Parang like here, hindi ko.
Yan tayo, dati.
Ako kasi pakanyan, no? Bakit titignan niyo yung boss, yung sa'yo na magpapanyan.
So, sakay ko naman silang bus. Sobrang traffic, yung wala na akong mag-isip na iba. So, yun.
Okay yan.
Hindi ko pa
Grabe naman pala yung
sige, po muna.
sobrang metamor.
Metaphorical. Hindi kasi metamorphosis yung butterfly.
That's purpose.
You know, it's raining hard here and there's thunderstorm.
Dito din po, teacher.
Ganyan din dyan ngayon.
Ako, umuulan na lang.
Punta pa lang po.
Siguro yung mga butterfly nakatago sila ngayon for di ba? Kasi they have to keep themselves safe.
Yes.
Away from me.
Oh, away from any danger. O, di ba?
Oh, okay. So kung ang butterfly tayo, iwas din tayo sa danger.
Parang yung wala seat.
Yeah, wala na sin. Oo nga, kasi sin is all around, di ba? Tago tayo. Kasi di tayo makaka-fly. Oo, may tao tayo na sin.
Ang galing ba? Kumbaga, may mga rates tayo at may
Okay, question ako. Sige, may question ako. How do you know kung mature na ang isang Christian? How do you know kung mature na ang isang Christian?
ano po?
How do you know?
Nga kayo ng mga characteristics. Sige nga. How do you know kung mature na ang isang Christian?
Pag mature po ang isang Christian, nakikita po yung mga fruit nila. Yes. O mga good works, ano po, parang, kitang-kita, ay, nakakaibang tao to. Ay, wait lang, parang.
Sige, ano pa?
Parang,
Wrongly said.
parang nakikita mo na, ay, he's not like other people.
Pwede yung iba pwede mag-answer sa chat group ha, yung ibang nasa online. Ayan.
Opo. Yan.
Lang, ano yung sabi ko kanina? May fruits na nakikita, fruits.
Opo. Tapos,
Yung fruits na yan galing sa Galatians, di ba? Fruits of the fruits of the Spirit.
opo. Yun din po. Tapos, yung ano din po, yung, ano yun? Parable of the grapevine. Yung yung isang, kasi may iba't ibang levels yun. Yung isa hindi nag-prepare ng food.
Grape o yung ano yan, candle and ano, lamp.
Wow.
Wow, lakas ng ulan Wait lang. Hindi ko nadidinig siya. Parable ng ano yon?
Grapevine. Yung malapit na pumamatay si Jesus. Yun yung ate yung last parable atay. Bago pa sila pumunta sa Gethsemane.
The branches.
Oh, I am the vine and you're the branches. If you
You are
remain,
the branches.
I think yun. Yung pagkatapos sila mag last supper. I think yun.
Will you agree ba na ang isang mature Christian parang nadidiri na siya sa kasalanan? Would you agree? Would you agree na ang isang mature Christian nadidiri na siya sa kasalanan?
Yes po.
Yon, isang sign yon na ano, you don't like, ayaw mo na madumihan ka. Ayaw mo ng kasalanan sa buhay mo. Yan ang isang bagay na makikita mo na sa isang Christian na nagmamature na. Iniiwasan niya like the plague. Like, alam niyang may mga ginagawa masama, ay iwas siya talaga. As in iwas. Yon, isa yun sa mga characteristics. Ano pang alam ninyong iba?
Yung mga
Ano? Go on.
Makikita rin po sa mga nila reactions nila sa mga nangyayari or how they will act or what would they do. Doon po din makikita
Ay, sandali lang Sandali lang. Wait lang. Kasi, wait lang. Umulan Tumutulo na yung bubong ko.
Kaya ako na
So, yes, in
Kasi yun, sa duration.
Kahit may bubong ka, may
pastor pa man, dapat ipili ka pa.
Kita. Oh.
Di ako pinagsabi.
Ano po ba?
Wait, gusto ko i-explain.
Yan po. Okay na yun. Yung sa basically in general, nakita mo siya na mature na if talagang yung reactions niya sa ganitong bagay is yun yung according sa
What would Jesus say?
WWJ.
yeah.
WWG. Ang mahirap kasi minsan i-control your reactions. Yung ano eh, minsan okay. Doon lalabas mo na yung nasa loob eh. Kasi hindi mo na mag-isipan eh. Kung ano talaga yung nandun. Sa reaction. Kung pag ano, ang reaction mo ay like, BPM mo at 200.
This word is
Lalabas. Lalabas.
Ay, mag-BPM ko. Malabas yung gawin mo na.
So, kailangan i-take.
Ala, okay, I'm done.
Yay!
Grabe.
Tayo.
Tumutulog sa kusina pag malakas ang ulan kasi hindi pa nare-repair. Anyway, where are we?
Ako, yung sabi ko ni Josh yung sa reactions ng tao.
Teacher, isa pang isi-share ko kasi pag nagmamature ng isang Christian, yung mga hate ni God, hate mo din. Yung mga love ni God, love mo din, di ba?
Yes.
So, may
Reflecting.
Yes, po. Dapat ano, parang si Paul.
teacher.
Dapat kamukha mo si Jesus. Hindi physical. Christ-like.
Hindi ba pwede naman?
Dapat makikita parang Christian talaga to kasi Christ ay hindi naman sa hindi naman God. So, parang yun po yung mga characteristic din ni Jesus.
Okay.
When you stay as
Teacher.
you I'll follow you.
And if God I
Okay, great, great.
Dapat na yung
Okay. Ano pa balik tayo ng worship?
So, teacher, magti 3 o'clock na, let's wrap it up. Teacher Joanna, magti 3 o'clock na ba? 3:30? Right?
3:22. Oh.
So can we just ask muna yung mga prayer requests nila, teacher? Can you do the prayer request? Can you do the prayer?
Hindi sila po namin next week. Ay, bukas po next week na kami. Bakit niyo ako, ibang like ako first?
Para maliit.
Okay. Yun lang po.
Let's thank the Lord kay Andrea for preparing yung lesson ngayon. Ang ganda-ganda ng pakaka-present. Sino ba yung nagbasa kanina?
Chanel po.
Sino yung nagbasa? Si Alexa ba yun? Si Agatha? O di ba nabigyan ako kasi parang meron siyang British accent eh. Di ba? She read it really well and it was a nice ano. Oh, Teacher Joanna, you take over na sa prayers.
Okay, ask that Tristan. Picture muna, alas na daw si Tristan.
Ay, oh, sige, sige. Picture.
Guys, let's now go for highlights. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my guys. Yeah.
Yes, 666. Ah, ang dami.
Okay. Picture Andrew.
Heart.
Wait lang stop share ko lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang, nag-hang yung Zoom ko. Wait lang.
Okay, we will wait. We are patient. Don't worry.
Sorry. Stop recording na.